In this video, I will show you how to fix Yahoo Mail not receiving emails. First, refresh the website. Wait for it. And then, go to the left side and click on Spam. And check your spam folder and make sure there is no emails that you are looking for that have been sent on spam. The next thing we are going to do is go to the settings. On the right side corner, click on more settings. And we will go into mailboxes and click this email. And make sure that your reply to address is set to correct email address. If it's not, then when people respond to you, the replies might go to the wrong email's address and you won't receive them. And thank you for watching. If this helped you, please like and subscribe.